Stripping the cable. Second, a cable stripper will be needed. Start by only stripping off about an inch of the jacket to expose approximately an inch of wires. Be sure not to take off too much of the jacket because it will have to be clamped down inside of an RJ45 connector. If there is too much wire, they might have to be shortened by cutting them directly with wire cutters. After there is a correct amount of wire exposed, unwind the copper wires twisted together on the inside, while starting with the correct colors left to right. Putting the wires in the connectors. Next, this will need at least 2 RJ45 wire connectors, one for each side of the cable. After the wires have been spread apart, organize them into the correct color order of the design cable. We are making the straight through, which means that the color order for the wires is going to be the exact same both sides. After the colors have been organized, if they don't all reach the same length, use wire cutters directly on the end to make each wire the same length. Be careful not to trim the wires down too far, or the wires might not be long enough and need to take a little bit more of the jacket off the wires to be long enough to fit all the way RJ45 connectors correctly. If the cable so far has got all the wires correctly inside of the RJ45 connector along with the bit of the cable jacket, then it should be ready to crimp the wire inside of the connector. The crimpers push down a wire locking piece inside that cannot be undone. Note that once the wire is crimped down correctly, if there are errors with the connection of the wire doesn't work correctly, the only way to fix this is to cut off the RJ45 connector with the wire cutters and then start from step 2 with the new RJ45 connector. Use a cable tester to get detailed information about the wire in specifics such as what wires are where and how long is the whole cable.